It's really coming down now. All right, let's try to get one right here. There he is. It's a good one. Oh no, it's not too bad. All right, well, there's one. I'm not gonna weigh him, he ain't nothing. Get a nice little look at him. Get the release, throw him back up in there. That's a pretty nice fish. I'm scooping him, but not a bad guy, not a bad guy. He choked her though, didn't he? It's a pretty looking fish. He just hit another big one. Not used to catching these little dinks here. I mean, there's usually big ones, but little chub right there. Hold on. Oh, that's a tank. Not a bad one right there. I'd say it's a 1 pounder for sure, right? I mean, look at that. That is a pretty fish right there. $1.7. That's a pretty fish right there. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh no, it's not that nice. I mean, it's probably the same looking, looks like the same freaking fish, almost. But the tail's looking a little funky on this swim bait. Oh my word. That's a nice one. That is a little fatty. Holy crap, guys. Look at the belly on that. You guys see the belly on that fish? Zeroed out real quick. $1.7. Same exact weight, dude. That's crazy. I just want you guys to see how little that is. But the belly on that, like, wow, what a pretty fish. Let's get the release real quick. Okay. Wow. Right in front of us. Little guy, pretty little guy. Goodbye, buddy. nice one. I mean, dude, we're tearing them up, right? Well, we're back in the car. I mean, it is just pouring rain. I'm soaked. I mean, like, you can squeeze my shoes. I got on these little Hey Dudes, and they are like terrible idea to wear that right now. I mean, I'm freezing. I am actually freezing. I'm gonna pull up tomorrow, see if we can get some more. And I mean, yeah, that's it for tonight. That's biggest was 1.7. Caught 2 of them that were 1.7. I want to get the big one out of here. I mean, I've caught 3-pounders out of here. I think that's the biggest I've got out of this pond. I definitely feel like there's something bigger. So I'll be back tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.